I'm gonna start letting them in.
Hello. Hello.
Please mute your devices.
Hello. Yeah, I'm here.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning. Please mute your devices. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge. Make your seats.
All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm gonna start with the reviews. Ms. Williams Law, let me know when you're ready, please.
Ready, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Kimberly Ori, case number SP 183-44161. Good morning to you, Ms. Ori. State your name for the record, please.
Kimberly Ori.
All right, Ms. Ori, today is date and time set for review. You did not finish paying and you did not get into the payment plan. When can you finish this up so we can dismiss this case, ma'am?
I can finish it today, but I also have my insurance.
Well, it's too late for that.
Okay, but I can finish it today. I'll do it
80,
today.
I'll pay 50 today. When are you gonna have it all paid off?
No, I can do it today.
All right, you want to do it now and we can close it out, or you want? How do you want to? How do you plan on
I forget how
doing
I
that?
did. Hold on, I have to go on my phone and unlock my card and stuff and do it like that. If I could, get a minute to go to it.
Go ahead. You can check back in. We can close it out once we see it's paid. All right.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna pass the matter.
Mm. Mm.
Hey, good morning. Hey, what's up? City of Detroit versus Joseph Livingston. Case number SP 181-20481, SP 181-2055, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72H32, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
I am Joseph.
No, Joseph Livingston.
Yes.
State your name again, please.
I'm Joseph Livingston.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He has 3 other civil infractions: an expired plate, no insurance proof that has a $45 reinstatement fee attached to it, and a defective brake light ticket. I don't have any issue with allowing Mr. Livingston to be heard on those issues. If the city has no objection, Mr. Livingston, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. This is the City of Detroit versus Janiqua Lee. Case number SP 137-25001, SP 177-33261, SP 183-6147, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Jenny Cooley.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Miss Lee is here because she didn't pay the open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger ticket, nor did she pay the in the park after dark ticket. And Miss Lee has subsequently got 3 more allegations against her: expired plate, Mr. Berry, no insurance proof, and a license improper. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing, let's see. Oh, those are set, those 3 matters we can strike from the record. Those matters, SP 13, strike that. SP 183-6147, counts 1, 2, and 3 can be stricken from the record. We're just talking about payment now today. You have a formal hearing and trial for those other 3 matters that I mentioned on March the 31st, 2026 at 9 a.m. What about payment here, Ms. Lee?
I could pay today.
Are you gonna pay it now?
Yeah, I tried to pay it like 2 weeks ago, but they had already issued a warrant out for my arrest.
All right, Ms. Mathis, can you clear that up for her? Pay it now. You can hang up and call back in, and we can do what we said we were going to do as far as the cases were concerned. I know the one will be dismissed if you pay it. The other, I have to see what exactly the agreement was. Okay. His warrant status. Yeah, so she can't pay him. All right, let's pass the matter, Ms. Lee. If you sign off and pay it and come back in, we'll get you out of here as soon as we can. Okay.
So pay the whole for it, right?
That's what you said, right?
Okay.
All right. It was arraignment on the bench warrant, so she can pay it then. Or you can pay it now.
Okay, thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus John A. Lewis, case number SP 1379563, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1857899, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
John A. Lewis.
John A. Lewis. John A. Leslie Lewis.
Yes, that's me.
And pronounce it again, the first name?
Janae Lewis.
Janae Lewis. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. All right, Ms. Lewis, today, date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Miss Robinson?
Yes, Judge, ready.
Ready. Okay, so you would start with is Lakaya Gamble here, Mrs. Goodwin here, Willie Love I know is here. This is the city of Detroit versus Willie Love. Case number SP 185-03311. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181, appear on behalf of Mr. Willie Love. Mr. Love, please state your name.
Yes, Your Honor, Willie Love.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Is my understanding you want a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
That trial date will be April the 9th. April the 9th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Love, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
And you too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Is Goodwin here? Lakaya Gamble is here. All right, let's go with City of Detroit. Good morning to you, ma'am, versus Kaya Gamble, case number U74325126. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, P63181 on behalf of Ms. Gamble. Young lady, please state your name.
Lakai Gamble.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Is my understanding you want a trial date as well?
Yes.
I come back on strike that again, April the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Goodwin, is Goodwin here? That's all I can help you with right now, Ms. Robinson. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Livingston. Mr. Livingston, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully asking if the court could check the status of his license.
I can only imagine it's probably not valid because of the
And we did discuss that, but I just wanted to make sure he got that information from the court.
yeah, I've seen it. It's made a liar out of me before, but we'll see.
Judge,
Yes.
the wildlife interpreter need at least a week.
A week?
Yeah, they can't expire.
Well, this is a civil infraction, so we'll see. Is it valid?
It's suspended.
It is suspended. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Livingston. Mr. Livingston, license is suspended.
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting permission to pay the reinstatement fee up front. I did explain that to him, so I'm hoping that he can take that opportunity to come back with a valid license.
All right, so I'll allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll set another pretrial date for May, oh my goodness, I'm gonna say that all day, April the 6th, 2026 at 8:30, all right? So you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse now. There's no better way I can allow you to do it, but to come down to the courthouse, pay that $45 reinstatement fee, and see if that works to get you a valid license, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go to Secretary of State and they don't give you a license, they should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license.
Thank you. Yep.
Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Miss Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, my name is Emma Hernandez, CAO qualified Spanish interpreter number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let me see here. Let me get some of these names down. Mhm.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
I see you, ma'am. Do you have an issue with paying?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna get to you, please. Give me 1 minute. Are you gonna have to, mute your device, please? On the Motorola device, I just let in the room. Good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself? Start your camera and state your name, please.
Nigel Gilbert.
Say that again.
Nigel
Not you.
Gilbert.
Not you. Good morning to you, though.
Oh,
Motorola, the lady there.
Lysandra Gamble.
I couldn't hear you. I'm sorry.
Lysandra Gamble.
LaShonda Campbell.
Gamble.
Gamble. Okay, there you are. Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Right.
Can't do this from my house. I don't.
All right, we're gonna have to be quiet. Lieutenant Rabner, we have to mute your device. Good morning to you. Mute your device, please. All right. Let's go call the Miss Harris. This individual needs an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit. I'm going to do the best I can to pronounce it. Versus Eliud Gamma Zavala. Case number state of Michigan versus Eliud Gamma Zavala. Case number SX4649472. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama al caso de el estado de Michigan contra el señor Eliud Vladimir Gama Zavala, número de caso SX464947-2, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Cherika Harris, representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, abra su micrófono y diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Abra su micrófono. Señor, está en silencio su micrófono.
Listo.
¿Sí?
Buenos días.
Su nombre completo. Good morning.
Mi nombre es Eliud Vladimir Gama Zavala.
My name is Elio Vladimir Gama Zavala.
Morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Señor, hoy es el día y la hora agendada para su consulta previa al juicio. Su abogada, la señora Harris, va a tratar de conseguirle una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Por favor, entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación a ir a la sala privada de consulta número 3.
Ok.
Ve la invitación, diga aceptar, join.
No me sale la invitación.
I cannot see the invitation.
Ok, ya.
Okay, I got it. Aceptar. Okay, I'll be there. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, let's go back on the record. Miss Ori, I see that you paid. At this time, I'm going to dismiss your case, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, please.
You too. You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye. City of Detroit versus Alexa Gardner, case number State of Michigan versus Alexa Gardner, case number SX 462-73461. Ms. Gardner, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Alexa Gardner.
All right, good morning. Today is date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. It's gone up now to $305. I'm going to bring you back down to the $240, but you never paid.
Yeah, I'm working on getting a job. I have an interview this week, so I'm trying to get the money. I'm trying to see if somebody will take me door dashing or something so I can get some money, but I'm not in the best living situation at the moment.
You need some help with housing insecurity, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Let's call Mr. Patel. I'm gonna get Mr. Patel on the line. I'm gonna give you until April the 7th. Hold on, I'm gonna get somebody on the line and see if they can potentially help you with some housing insecurity.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set a trial date for April the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Krishina Godoy Maria, case number SP 1840792, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Godoy.
Hi. Hello.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Necesitas, buenos dias.
Buenos días.
Necesitas interpreter?
Sí.
All right, un momento.
Okay. Thank you.
Pass the matter. Was that Rodney Gibson? Do I have a Rodney Gibson?
I'm here. I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. I don't see Gibson on the docket. Let's see.
I think I have a trial date today. It might be on the 20th, but I'm not sure.
It's on the 20th, sir. There's
Okay.
nothing. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. The 20th at 9 a.m. All right. City of Detroit, can you run her license, please? Versus Jessica Lee, case number S2, strike that, 217-297-8001. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for
Good
the record.
morning. My name is Jessica Lee.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lee, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Strike that. We're gonna dismiss the case. You have a valid driver's license. Best of luck to you, man. I'll waive the warrant fee and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh. You have a good day.
Thank you.
All right. Tasia Gully. Ms. Gully.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. I don't have anything open for you.
Okay, so they sent me this in the mail saying come to court for them same 5 tickets that you dismissed, but
What's the case number?
I can't hear you.
What's the case number to one of them?
It's only 1 ticket. It's a no insurance charge, but you dismissed all 5 of them because the officer didn't appear.
What is the case number? Let me make sure that it's dismissed, like you said.
SP 18275-991.
That's true. That's dismissed.
So why did they send me this in the mail to come to court today?
Your guess is as good as mine, ma'am. It's dismissed, dismissed, dismissed. 1, 2, and 3 are dismissed. It seems like all of them. Everything's closed. Best of luck to you, Miss Gully. You don't owe the court any money, all right?
Okay, thank you so much. Have a blessed day.
You have a better one. All right, City of Detroit versus Asha Ann Goldman. Case number SP 1232865, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1257598, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1318247, counts 1, 2. SP 1472551, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1511850, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1798541, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1859, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Deasha Goulman, case number SX4357315, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Goldman.
Deasha Goldman.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Day, date, and time set for a pretrial. I will advise your client, Mr. Berry, that she has a warrant out for her arrest in front of Judge Kenyatta Stanford Jones. So, Ms. Goldman, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Hajazi or Mr. Hajazi, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Your Honor. My client is Mr. Devious Leon.
Okay, he needs the Spanish interpreter. We have the interpreter here as well. Okay. So we'll get you going as soon as Madam Interpreter finishes with the other cases.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You need a breakout room with him?
Yes, if that's possible. Or actually with the prosecutor, I should say first.
Well, And I'll put him in a breakout room. And then you have access to move around.
Thank you. Do you know which room the prosecutor is in?
We'll be in 4 when she arrives, or if, I don't know if it's gonna be I don't know if it's gonna be Miss Horn or not today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gama. Mr. Gama, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a dismissal, counsel.
Buenos días, vamos al señor Gama oportunidad de hablar con su abogada. Abogada, entiendo que esto va a ser un caso para ser desestimado.
Yes.
Sí, señoría.
Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor, su caso ha sido desestimado. Se puede retirar, que tenga la mejor de las suertes, que tenga un excelente día.
Thank
Eso
you.
es todo. Thank you. Gracias.
You're welcome.
A la orden, señor.
City of Detroit versus Ajane Grant. Case number Say that again.
Ajane Grant.
Yeah, Ajane Grant. Good morning to you, ma'am. Case number SP 1317442, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1362641, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 173-86862. Appearance for the record, please. Run our license, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Ajane Grant.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Grant. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Grant, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Wait, this is for my 5. I have 5 warrants, right?
Say that again?
I have 5 warrants, right?
Yes.
Okay. I paid my balance of the $1,000.
Hold on, Ms. Grant. Ms. Harris, Ms. Grant has a valid driver's license.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, Ms. Grant.
Okay.
She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. When you see the prompt, ma'am, join the room. Have a conversation with Ms. Harris. Okay.
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Oh, can you bring Alexa Gardner down to her $240, please? Alexa Gardner, $240. Yeah, please, before she pays that $305. Glad I caught that. All right, on the telephone at 947-258-3185. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Ladarian Gilmer.
Mr. Gilmer, good morning. Good morning to you.
How you doing?
Why did you hit that?
Oh.
Hold on, you have to mute your, Mr. Gilmer, I'm gonna mute your device. When we call your name, press *6 when we call your name, okay?
Excuse me, Your Honor. I'm Jairo Santana. I'm just making sure if I'm in the list.
You're in the right room. Good morning to you.
Thank you, sir.
iPhone 5. iPhone 5, I'm gonna ask you to unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name. Good morning to you. iPhone 5, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please?
La persona que está en el iPhone 5, por favor, abra su micrófono y diga su nombre.
Unmute yourself. Good morning to you on the iPhone 5. I'm sending you the prompt to unmute yourself. What is your name?
Ajane Goodwin.
Ajane Good. You were already here? No.
Yeah.
You're someone's client.
Yes.
Fine, Judge Sarah Robinson.
All right. And you're ready on her, right?
Yes, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Ajane Goodwin, case number SP 184-87941, SP 184-89511, SP 184-89881. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Ms. Goodwin. Ma'am, please state your name.
Ajane Goodwin.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Goodwin wants a trial as well.
Yes, Judge.
April the 9th, Ms. Goodwin, April the 9th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
You're good. All right. All right, Ms. Robinson, great to see you, and I'll see you soon. Is that it, Ms. Robinson? All right, Ms. Goodman, you're free to leave.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
All right, Lawrence. Lawrence.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Are you, what is your full name, sir?
Tyler Lawrence.
Tyler Lawrence, and you have an attorney, right?
Yes, sir.
Who's your attorney?
Mr. Reese Carpenter.
I'm his attorney, Your Honor.
He's here. Are you ready with Mr. Lawrence?
I wanted to see if Officer Rihanna O'Connor has checked in.
We still have a few minutes on the officer, so
We do.
Good morning to you, Mr. Carpenter.
Good morning.
Do you need a breakout room with your client?
Yeah.
Mr. Lawrence, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 5. Join the room. Your attorney will come see you when he has some information. Mr. Hajazi.
Good morning again, Your Honor. We're just going to be requesting a trial date.
And who's your client again?
Mr. Delvis Leon.
That's your client.
Yes. Mrs. Hernandez.
Yes, Hernandez, I'm sorry. All right, let's go. The City of Detroit versus Delvis Barrow Leon, case number SP 185-9085, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 185-94981. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama al caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Davis Bárbaro León. Número de caso SP 185-9085, cargos 1 y 2 y SP 185-94981. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Devious Barbero Leon.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Rami Hijazi, número de abogado 82830, representando al señor Bárbaro León.
Your Honor, at this time, we would be requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
Su señoría, nosotros respetuosamente estamos solicitando una nueva fecha para un juicio.
All right, does April the 9th work for you?
¿Funciona para usted la fecha del 9 de abril?
Yes.
Sí, su señoría.
Our trial is April the 9th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you both.
Señor, entonces su fecha para el juicio es el 9 de abril a las 9 de la mañana. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, muchísimas gracias. Eso es todo por hoy.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Nada más que agregar, su señoría. Muchas gracias.
Okay, very well. Have a great day, you and your client. Best of luck to you both.
Está bien, que tenga excelente día, tanto usted como su cliente. La mejor de las suertes para ambos.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Horn. And
Good morning, Your Honor.
let's see that individual, Manuel Alfaro. Good morning to you.
Good morning, buenos días.
All right, well, what is your full name, sir?
He needs interpreter, Your Honor.
Yeah, he needs interpreter.
Yes. Señor
Yes.
Alfaro, por favor, ¿cuál es su nombre completo?
Manuel José Alfaro López.
¿Perdón?
Manuel José Alfaro López.
Manuel José Alfaro López.
Manuel Jose Lopez, I see. All right. All right, un momento.
Un momento, por favor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Goldman. Ms. Goldman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, is that what you want to do, Ms. Goldman?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have to go, you have to go see Judge Kennedy, correct? I mean, Judge Stanford Jones, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. April the 9th, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck at 9 a.m. Wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Your Honor, has Officer Rihanna O'Connor checked in?
I don't think so. They still have a few more minutes.
I think isn't it 30 minutes for the officer to check in?
Mr. Carpenter, I have my time set here, please.
Okay.
All right. Let's call the city of Detroit. Mr. Barry, Ms. Godoy needs an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Krishana Godoy Maria, case number SP 1840792, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamemos al caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Krishna Godoy Mayra, número de caso SP 184-07922. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Robert Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss.
Woodbury Jr. representando a la acusada, señora Godoy. Por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Krishna Godoy Mayra.
Krishna Godoy Mayra.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señora, hoy es el día y la hora agendado para la consulta previa al juicio en su causa. La voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, el señor Berry, que le dará una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, siempre puede ir, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio.
Ok.
Ok. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala privada número 2.
Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Tyler Daniel Lawrence, case number U721967225. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I just gotta bring him out the breakout room quickly.
Already done so. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Tyler Lawrence. Tyler Lawrence, can you please say your full name for the record?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, state your name for the record, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Tyler Lawrence.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there Officer O'Connor, Rhea O'Connor? Hearing no response. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, we're going to move for dismissal since the officer has failed to appear.
Let me just check my list to make sure. Harris, Lee, Haywood, Webb, Lawrence, Rapp. All right, I found them. All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is suspended.
It's valid.
Okay, good. All right. Do you have anybody else, Mr. Carpenter?
I don't, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Have a good day, sir. Best of luck
Thank
to you as well. Mr. Baughman, are you ready on Jesse Lee? Is that your client?
Yes, Your Honor, please and thank you.
Good morning to you and Mr. Lee. Jesse Lee, are you there? Where's Jesse Lee?
He's here. I'm going to send him a prompt to unmute.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Jesse Lee. Case number SP 158-37041. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman, P55052 for the defendant. Give your full name to the court, please, sir.
Jesse Jerome Lee.
Thank you.
All
Your
right,
Honor, we're here for the purpose of pretrial, and I have discovery. We are trial ready. Would you set a bench trial date, please, and thanks?
Okay, bench trial date will be April the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Lee, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Thank you, Judge. I'm still looking for my other client.
Right.
So
You can handle your other business if you need to and come on back.
thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day if I don't see you.
Okay, very well. Okay, I'm just waiting on a lawyer now.
Excuse me, Judge Perkins, did you see my payment? Janiqua Lee.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Let me see what this open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger is gonna do. We see, I got you. I see your payment, ma'am. We're gonna dismiss the in the park after dark. And we're gonna dismiss the open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Now, that's not gonna affect the points on your driver's license. Just keep that in mind, all right?
Okay.
But It won't have the misdemeanor on your record. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
Okay. What happened to Nick Lee's file? I don't know if you gave that to me or not. I don't know if you gave me Janique Lee's file or not. Yeah. Okay, very well. That's for sure. Alrighty, let's go back on the record with Ms. Godoy. Ms. Godoy, I think you had a valid driver's license here, I believe, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. And she has valid insurance, Your Honor.
All right. We'll dismiss.
Vamos a volver para el caso de la Godoy. Entiendo que ella tiene una licencia de conducir varias. Sí, su señoría tiene su licencia, sí, ya sabemos que la tiene. Y pedimos que se desestimen los cargos. Su señoría puede abrir su micrófono, señora Krishna.
Okay.
All right, we'll dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señora. Entonces vamos a desestimar sus casos por haber presentado la documentación debida. Con eso se puede retirar. Eso es todo por hoy. Que tenga muchísima suerte.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
A la orden, señora.
All right, another interpreter, Mr. Berry. This is the City of Detroit versus Manuel Jose Lopez. Case number SP 1863940. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es otro caso para usted, señor Berry. Esta es la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Manuel José Alfaro López. Número de caso SP 186-3940. Cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lopez.
Elwood Berry, Jr., representando al acusado. Señor López, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Manuel José Alfaro López.
Manuel José Alfaro López.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
I'm sorry.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una multa de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, quien le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si usted no está de acuerdo con esta oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Gracias.
Join the room,
thank
but you come out.
Por favor, vaya a la habitación y ya cuando salga, bueno, nos deja saber cómo que desea proseguir.
All right. He's in there, Ms. Hernandez. All right.
Thank you.
Ms. Harris, are you ready?
I haven't received a response from the city attorney, but Ms. Grant did present valid insurance. I don't know if the court wants me to wait to speak with the city attorney first.
Let's go back on the record. They usually dismiss, so we'll go back on the record with Ms. Grant.
Can we pull her out of the breakout room, Your Honor?
Try.
I came out to ask first.
Your Honor, I cannot go to the breakout room.
That's
Okay, thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. I'm going to dismiss these cases, Ms. Grant, for
Thank you.
providing valid documentation. I'll waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very
Thank
good
you.
rest. Welcome. This
Your
is the
Honor,
ci- yeah.
I have to go to the breakout room, but any option?
All right.
I went already and was sent back.
I know I sent you out too early.
Okay. No.
This is the city of Detroit versus Preston Lamont Griffin, case number SP 185788231, SP 185783001. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica
Good
Harris on
morning, Your
behalf
Honor.
of Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Griffin. Please state your name for the record.
Preston Griffin.
Good morning to you, Mr. Griffin.
Good morning,
Today
Your
is
Honor.
set for a pretrial. Mr. Griffin does have a expired plate that I wouldn't have any issue with allowing him to be heard on it. Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Did she get her, where was she supposed to go? That was
She was in a Judge Austin Gear.
Can you run that license for me, please, Ms. Marcus? I don't know what D Falcon is here for. Griffin, Roy Griffin? Okay. So he's just here. It's a formal hearing. Okay, very well. Okay. So. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to present valid insurance and registration.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir, for provided valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. This is the city of Detroit. You got Lester here. This is the city of Detroit versus. Oh, I didn't want that.
So you don't want that?
Where's the, yeah, I did one. Where's the,
Oh, here.
this, I did, I'm sorry. I thought he had one. This is the city of Detroit versus Lester George Little Jr. Case number SP 1858929, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Little. Please state your name for the record.
Lester Little, can you, good morning. Do you state your name for the record, sir? Good morning to you. Lester Little. Mr. Little? He may have frozen up. Like he froze. All right, let's pack.
Your Honor, may I interrupt? I have to be in juvie court at 10 o'clock. This
I
is
understand.
dismiss,
I
this
understand.
is
Mr.
dismissal.
Gazdecki, hold on. I understand, Mr. Gazdecki. All right. I'm gonna get you out of here. Mr. Lester Little, now, I turn your
Yes.
camera off, sir. Hopefully that makes it go through better. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lester George Little Jr.
And today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter.
And
This is
before I
the
join, sorry,
you
can
know,
I have the status?
no license,
Thank you.
expired. All right, this is the state of Michigan versus Bay Gay. State of Michigan versus Bay Gay, case number SX 465555171. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Gazdecki, P 46289 on behalf of Mr. Gay.
State your name. Name.
Gay.
All right.
Gay.
All right. Day is date and time set for a formal hearing. I didn't see the officer. Did you talk to Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor, and we're making our motion to dismiss.
All right. Case dismissed. No officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day, Your Honor. It's nice to see you.
Okay, dismissed. Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Give him some paperwork.
Okay. Yes.
Are you ready, Mr. Miller, on your client?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, this is the city of this Roy Griffin, right?
Correct, sir.
City of Detroit versus Roy William Griffin. Good morning to you, sir. Case number SP 186668391. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Richard Mueller, P 58626.
All right, Mr. Griffin, state your name for the record, please.
Mr. Roy Griffin.
All right, good morning to you. And Officer Falcon, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. I'm Officer Falcon, badge number 730.
And what department?
DPD, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Was there a resolution here?
There was, Your Honor, and a thank you to the prosecutor and Officer Falcon. It's my understanding that we are amending the charge from careless to impeding. Impeding. That's correct.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, sir?
He's available to pay immediately, Judge, if there's an online option.
There is a DivDat option, DivDat kiosk, DIVDAT. I'm told you can upload it to your phone or you can pay it in person. There's online options, there's telephone options. Those are just the two best options that I can tell you to use. I will give him until Friday to make sure that payment gets here. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day to both of you. Best of luck to you. Ms. Mathis will get that in as soon as she can, all right?
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Thank you.
All right, you as well. Best of luck to y'all. Be safe out there and be safe, Officer Falcon.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Little. Mr. Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting an adjourned pretrial if the court will allow to give him time to renew his license and or a trial date.
All right. I'll give you a pretrial date for April the 6th, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too. Thank you, Judge.
Welcome. Is that Deshaun Gurr? Oh, Miss Gardner, you there? Mr. Patel, good morning to you. All right, Miss Gardner, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Patel. He's here to speak to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, I also have Felicity Till joining me. If you could send her into the breakout room as well.
All right.
Thank you.
Ms. Till, okay, that's your intern. Okay, very well. Good morning to you, Ms. Till. Join the room, please. Deshaun Gurr Jr.
G.
Is that G?
Yes.
Deshaun G, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I just don't see him on the docket unless I'm overlooking it. Let me look it up and see what's going on. That's G-E-E?
Yes.
You have a middle name?
Yes. Karu. Kahru.
Were you just a walk-in?
No, it tell me to join the Zoom. It say no insurance and driver's license not valid.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Junior.
Yes.
March the 31st, 2026. March the 31st, 2026, okay?
Okay.
Be safe.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. It didn't give me a prompt for a breakout room.
It didn't give you a prompt for a breakout room?
No.
I just swore I did. I got the wrong person in there. I'm sorry.
You're fine. Thank you.
Gillespie, Naja Gillespie.
Oh, God.
All right, Ms. Larkin, I'm gonna put you out if I hear you making any more comments, all right? Yeah, I'll put you in
Excuse
the
me,
break.
I'm in the store. I wasn't talking to you.
All right, I'm put you in the breakout room, waiting room. Everybody want to lie. City of Detroit versus Naja Gillespie, case number SP 1854961, counts 1, 2. Hello, how are you? Appearance
Hi,
for the record,
yes.
please.
Hi. I'm right here. Give me just one moment.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
That's Miss Harris.
Okay.
Your client came back in, Mr. Bear.
Okay, terrific.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Miss Gillespie. Please state your name, but I think she might have fallen off.
Did she fall off?
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right, very well. And I'm just gonna leave Larkin in there since she would have been next. But her attitude got her put back. Mr. Gorey, City of Detroit versus Vincent Gorey, case number 1257, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1365603, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1826816, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 182695661, SP 9222961. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Benson Gorey.
All right. Why do we keep coming back, Mr. Gorey? What's going on?
Oh, gave me a court date. The last time I spoke to you, you gave me a court date because Miss Shelton wasn't in, and you gave me a court date for the day to verify that I did the community service.
All right, good. Let's get Ms. Shelton to verify Mr. Gorey's community service. Good morning to you. Give me a minute. So, I thought I already dismissed the case that you needed to get a valid license.
Oh, well, Miss, when you asked the clerk to verify with Miss Shelton, she wasn't in, so you just gave me another court date for today.
But I dismissed the case. Did you go get a license?
No, I thought I had to come back to court today. I'm sorry. It's
You're supposed to get a license. I dismissed that. I gave you the benefit of the doubt last time. I told you I was gonna dismiss it. Mr. Harris, go talk to Mr. Gorey in the breakout room. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gorey, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Now let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta el caso del señor López. Señor López, le di la oportunidad de que hablara en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of allowing to the driving while license never having been acquired. They remain the insurance matter to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente se quiere adherir a la oferta ofrecida por la Fiscalía del cargo enmendado de que permitió que alguien sin licencia manejara con respecto al cargo original de nunca haber adquirido una licencia, y el cargo de no tener seguro queda desestimado.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere tomar ese acuerdo que le están ofreciendo?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, levante su mano derecha para ser juramentado.
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Usted jura o confirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Sí, señora.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano ya? ¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes. Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, él le explicó, le informó de sus derechos.
Sí, señora.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí, señora.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo de resolución que le ofrecieron, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí, señora.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta en actas, ¿alguien más le ofreció alguna otra cosa?
No, señora.
No, ma'am.
Draw your attention back to February 9th, 2026, around 5:04 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Schoolcraft. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, voy a llevar su atención al día, la hora y el lugar de los hechos, que fue el día 9 de febrero del 2026, alrededor de las 5:04 de la tarde, en las inmediaciones de Grand River y Schoolcraft, en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un policía?
Sí, señora.
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo?
Sí, señora.
Yes, ma'am.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y el oficial de policía le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida?
Sí, señora.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that just his dialect that's saying yes, ma'am?
Señor. No, I don't think so, Your Honor. It's because since I am the talking, it's like he's answering to me and not, he doesn't understand that I'm just repeating and you are the one talking to him.
Can you explain that to him? I mean, I let
Yeah.
it times.
Thank you. Señor, el juez pregunta que sí, que por qué usted responde sí, señora, si quien le está preguntando es él y él no es una señora. Entonces, la intérprete que soy yo le explicó que usted está contestando como que si estuviera hablando conmigo, pero en realidad yo soy la intérprete, quien le está hablando es el juez.
Ok, sorry.
Entonces usted tiene que contestar al juez, entonces sí, su señoría o sí, señor.
Sorry.
Ok, I'm so sorry, I understand. Entonces, no señora, sí señor.
Sí, señor.
All right,
Señor, I know.
so you understood your rights, is that correct, sir?
Entonces, señor, ¿usted entendió sus derechos?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
And you don't have any questions about those rights, do you?
Y usted no tiene ninguna pregunta acerca de sus derechos, ¿no es así?
No.
No, I don't.
And you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
All right. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y a alguien más le ofreció a usted alguna otra cosa, aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado aquí, que conste en actas?
No.
No. All right. Let me draw your attention back to, that already started that February 9th, 2026 in the 50. I've already done all that in the area of Grand River and Schoolcraft, City of Detroit. You were operating a motor vehicle, correct?
Está bien, ya yo le pregunté, pero le estoy volviendo a preguntar. Usted, el día 9 de febrero del 2026 a las 5:04 en los alrededores de la calle Grand River y Schoolcraft en la ciudad de Detroit, lo paró un oficial de policía y le pidió que le mostrara una licencia.
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license, correct?
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia. ¿Ese es correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't produce that license, could you?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
No, no.
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
¿Por qué no se la pudo mostrar?
Porque no tengo.
Because I don't have one.
Very well, I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. $240 is the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo lo voy a encontrar culpable de el cargo enmendado de que usted dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Para eso impongo una multa de $240 y una vez que usted pague, yo le quito queda el caso listo y desestimado.
Okay.
And with the station of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
Y con la estipulación por parte de su abogado de la causa probable, yo voy a quitarle la otra boleta de tránsito que tenía.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
All right, $240, sir. When can you pay it?
Señor, 240, ¿cuándo puede pagarlo?
Mañana.
Tomorrow.
All right, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Come back in tomorrow morning at 8:25. If it's paid, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Ok, señor, entonces, yo le puedo decir que usted puede pagar esto en los kioscos que se llaman Deep Dat, que están alrededor de la ciudad, o usted puede bajar la aplicación de esos kioscos a su teléfono y pagarlo por teléfono en los kioscos, lo puede hacer en persona, también viniendo a la corte. Esas son las dos mejores formas que yo le puedo decir y recomendar para que pague. Entonces pague mañana y mañana otra vez a las 8:25 de la mañana se vuelve a conectar como hoy y si ya está pagado, nosotros le cerramos el caso.
Mañana que hora me puedo conectar.
At what time do I have to connect tomorrow? Because I'm going to pay tomorrow.
Well, connect after you pay. If you coming down to pay?
Ok, pague, conéctese tan pronto lo pague. ¿Usted está viniendo a pagar en persona?
No, si puedo pagar en línea mejor.
No, if I'm going to pay online, it will be better for me.
All right, if you pay it at the DivDat kiosk, if you upload that to your phone, come on in at 8:25, and once it's paid, we'll dismiss the case.
Está bien, entonces si usted quiere pagarlo en el kiosco DeepDat, bajando de la aplicación, una vez que ya lo pague, entonces después que lo pague, se mete, se conecta con la corte otra vez, igual que el día de hoy, con el mismo número a partir de las 8:25.
Otra pregunta, ¿y si lo pago ahorita, ahora me puedo conectar?
And if I pay it today, now, at what time can I connect?
If you pay it right now, we'll dismiss it right now.
Si usted lo paga ahorita mismo, se lo quitamos ya mismo.
Ok, me da unos minutos y me vuelvo a conectar.
Okay, can you give me a couple of minutes and I will connect again?
Yes.
Sí, señor.
Ok.
Vaya, pague y se vuelve a conectar.
Ok. Gracias.
All right.
Ok,
Well,
desconéctese, paga y se vuelve a conectar.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Are you here let's pass the matter. Santana Nunez, Ms. Hernandez?
No, I think he doesn't need an interpreter.
Okay, very well. All right, Mr. Berry, let's call the City of Detroit versus Tracy George. Case number SP 120-6726, counts 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. George.
Tracy George.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. George. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Ms. George, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us do when you come out.
Thank you, Honor.
All right, past the matter, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goree. Mr. Goree, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I think we need to get a better understanding. He seemed to believe that he only needed to do the community service and possibly the other matters had already been adjudicated. So I guess I need to understand, are those still pending?
No, Mr. Goree, how many times do we have to go over this? You indicated you had a driver, you had a no insurance ticket that was affecting your ability to get a valid driver's license. I gave you the opportunity to do the first 6 hours of community service. Wait a minute, let me make. I gave you the opportunity to do the first 6 hours of community service to get rid of the driver's license suspended ticket. You did those community service hours, even though I haven't gotten proof of that. I gave you credit for that. Now you're supposed to go, we close that ticket out. Now you're supposed to go to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a valid driver's license. And that's where we were.
Okay, I understand now, sir. Sorry for the misunderstanding.
All right, so
we do want to take the opportunity so that he can come back, attempt to come back with a valid license if the court will allow.
Absolutely. What we'll do now is set a trial date for April the 9th. April the 9th, all right? Come back on April the 9th. In the meantime, I don't see anything here that's affecting your ability to get a driver's license, Mr. Goree. I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but that one ticket is gone. Now, if you have an issue with getting the license, I would go try to get the license immediately. If you have an issue with trying to get the license, then ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout on everything that's affecting your driver's license, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding.
No worries. All right, Mr. Goree, come back April the 9th. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too, thank you.
Thank you. Let's go back
Excuse
on
me,
the record.
Mr.
Wait a minute.
Sorry.
Wait a minute.
Sorry.
Let's go back. All right, Mr. Goree, have a very good rest of your day. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gillespie. Ms. Gillespie, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris, are going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Is that what you wanted, Ms. Gillespie?
No, you had called my name and my phone died in the middle of you calling me. But I have my registration and my tag and everything.
Miss Gillespie, that's what he was trying to tell you. You got to join the breakout room first. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
We appreciate you.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. All right. I don't think Ms. Larkins does, though. That's your money.
I know. Probably why she in the way.
That's why she's in the way. That's why she's in the way. All right. That's crazy. Ted Alexander? I think he left. Let's go back on the record with Miss George. Miss George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
I'm referring to Ms. Lee.
Miss George.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. George has shown valid insurance as well as registration. We seek dismissal.
I knew she would. All right, Miss George, if there's nothing further, I'm going to dismiss the cases. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You have a very good day, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. But is my license still valid?
I don't know that. You want me to check that for you?
Yes, please.
I don't see anything here that would have been able to affect your license being valid.
Okay, thank you so much.
License, please. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Hario Ishmael Santana Nunez. Case number SP1547886, counts 2 and counts 3. SP1717843, counts 1 and counts 2. SP177840881, SP1808101, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Santana Nunez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jairo Santana Nunez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time will say set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. As for the other cases, they're in warrant status. We'll recall the warrant. You have your pen ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Driving while license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Driving while license suspended. And an unregistered untitled. That's case I call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cases into the record. Mr. Nunez, Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you.
Is valid? License is valid, Miss George. If she's still there, she's gone. pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gillespie. Ms. Gillespie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting trial and formal hearing.
All right, this is what you want to do, Ms. Gillespie?
Yes.
All right. Come back on April the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Welcome. City of Detroit versus Jamira Larkin. Case number SP185-19831 and U418025517. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Larkin. Please state your name for the record.
Ms. Larkin there. Unmute yourself, start your camera, please. Unmute yourself, start your camera, please, Ms. Larkin. State your name for the record, please.
Jamira Larkin.
All right, the day is date and time set for a pre-trial. One of the cases has already been adjudicated, just never paid. That would be the decent exposure case.
The who?
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you another offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. She owes a number of civil infractions, one of which is a no insurance proof, 2 no insurance proofs. That's affecting her ability to get a license if she doesn't already have it.
Excuse me. Yeah, I'm sorry. I got a question. I had already went down there and paid that no insurance stuff. I got the receipts for that.
All right, well, you have to deal with that at the cashier then. Go in the breakout room and have a conversation with Ms. Harris, okay?
Okay.
I will pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Mr. Patel, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. J.H. Patel, P number 65385, as co-counsel.
All right, and good morning to you. And Ms. Tilley, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record? I think this is our second time meeting, right?
Yes, it is, Your Honor. Thank you. Good morning, Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of Ms. Gardner, who is present with us via Zoom.
All right. Were you able to have a fruitful conversation?
We were, Your Honor. We explained the program to her. I believe that she would be an ideal participant, and we're ready to set a date for a return. I would like to ask for 5/26 at 8:30.
All right. And Miss, it's already been adjudicated, just amount owed on there. So I'm gonna set a review date of 5/26/2026 at 8:25. Miss Gardner, I do say this all the time. I understand that you're in a pretty difficult situation now. We'll be praying for you and continue to pray for you. I'm glad that we're all able to had the discussion and you were forthright and you were willing to let us know that you were having these issues because I think that Mr. Patel's program is very helpful and I've seen it work. I hope it works for you. I hope it works for you sooner rather than later. And I always say, I use a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. It always says that he says the true test of an individual, he says man, but man meaning mankind, is not where he or she stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he or she stands in the times of challenges and controversy. So in a way, this is kind of your test to show that you can deal with controversy and you can come through it. I guarantee you there is light at the end of the tunnel. I don't know when that light will shine brighter for you. I can just only hope that it shines brighter sooner rather than later. And I do believe in the services that Mr. Patel and his staff provide. So I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right. You're so much
Excuse me, Your
welcome.
Honor.
Hold on.
Sorry.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Do not do that.
Sorry.
Miss Gardner, May 26, 2026 at 8:25 is your next court date. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great day, both of you. All
You
right.
too.
All right. Who were you in were you in with Mr. Barry?
Yes, where I got kicked out accidentally. I accidentally left.
All right, join the room. He's got more way other problems than a registration ticket, though. All right. Oh, Smathis, and you said they told this individual he works with me at Ford. They told him that he couldn't set a formal hearing. He couldn't set a formal hearing. He needs an attorney to do that for him. I'm like, that's a civil infraction.
Hey, Judge, can you give me a quick second before we go to the next case? Thanks.
He got
a pre-hearing set up.
Yeah, he wants
And
to just do a formal hearing.
A lot of times when you come to the pre-hearing, you tell the
I know.
officers that you want to speak to a judge, and you want a formal
Right.
hearing in front of a judge, and they'll schedule it at the pre-hearing.
I know, but he called them yesterday.
That's what well, if you're a judge, so if you want to go ahead and schedule it.
Yeah, I don't see why we
we
make
could
somebody
just
come back
we can
twice.
call over there to
See if they don't mind, if the
letter-
judge doesn't mind.
Letter B. I'm trying to see who the letter B.
All right.
You could just call over there and get a date.
Yeah, if you can do that, then it's like, that doesn't make any sense.
I'll call over there and ask you. I just gotta get up like this, and when I get up, in contact with someone.
Oh. If not, then he can just. I know, it shouldn't be. Gray is gone. Janine Gray is gone, so that's good. Not Mr. Lowe's license. But
I'm back, Karen.
we haven't done anything. Kimberly Golson never showed.
You want, whose license you want me to run, Gulfster or Low?
No, Low, please.
Yeah. That is at the file.
Mr. Lowe, you're coming up.
Judge, did you and Mr. Berry have a good podcast session?
I thought it was excellent.
Gotta see it. So it airs tonight?
Tonight, yeah, at 7, and Mr. Berry indicated that he didn't know what he had to offer. I didn't really know Mr. Berry. I mean, he's been around a lot of knowledge in there. A lot of knowledge.
Nice. I'm gonna be tuning in.
Yeah, it wouldn't be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 shows that can. Wow. I mean, he's like, I'm talking about high level. I mean, high level education to the highest level, everything. But still had to deal with the struggles of being a Black man at that time in America. And now too. And now too. Absolutely.
Why when Mr. Berry tells us to be quiet, we tell the people. You
see, I don't say anything. Yeah, I'm tuning in.
It do be coming with a little force though.
I'm not dealing with it, you know. I mean, it's a testament to, like, you know, really like young people, you know, that don't vote, that don't, you know, I mean, that this just don't have any get up and go. You watch this person and the struggles that he's dealt with and where he's the humble beginnings that he came from, and the fight that he was in. I mean, it's some serious stuff.
That's Lowe's driver's license?
Is it valid?
No.
All right. So yeah, tonight at 7 o'clock is gonna drop, and I hope everybody watches and enjoys and tunes in.
Where do we tune in at, Judge?
Let's Talk Legal on YouTube. Let's Talk Legal on YouTube. Yeah, Elwood Berry. He's a Now, I was thinking, just because he's been a lawyer for 50 years, that,
a lot more than that, though.
Oh, man.
A lot more than that.
You
enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it.
He knew Reverend Jesse Jackson. Didn't I remember hearing something like,
He knew Dr. Martin Luther King. That didn't know Elwood Berry was a singer. I mean, I'm not going to give it all away. I'm not going to give it all away.
He was a musician, too.
That is no joke.
You had no idea. You just like, can you come on? You didn't know you had a diamond in the rough. Not even the rough.
When he says he's working with the King and Jesse Jackson and them, and he did, and I thought that was, but I said no.
He was there. He was definitely here at that time. How old was Martin Luther King when he passed?
I was late 30s, like 39 or something, right?
That was what, 64? So.
Well, 68, wasn't it? He was born in 29.
50 years ago?
Because he was born the same year my father was born.
Okay. So he'd be in his 80s today.
No, 90s. 90s. Because my dad would be 96, I think. Man, it was Kim Worthy. She's going to be the next guest.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, I wanted her too.
Yeah, that should be a good show.
Y'all reached out to her?
Oh, did we never got he never came back, did he, Miss Hernandez?
No, I don't see him.
Let me see what he did. There he is. There he is.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Manuel Jose Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I see that you've paid, and at this time, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Está bien, vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor José Manuel López. Señor José Manuel López, acabo de verificar que usted ha pagado.
Bueno.
Con eso ya queda su caso desestimado. Muchísimas gracias. Se puede retirar. Eso es todo.
Ok, muchas gracias, mi amable.
Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you.
All right, you as well. Be safe.
Igualmente usted, señor. Por favor, manténgase seguro.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, Your Honor, that's it for me, I believe.
See you tomorrow.
Ciao, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, Miss Yamira. Ciao.
I need to see. Oh, that's right. I need a 5 minutes. You said April the 6th. What time? 3:30. Okay, thank you. This is a good day for me.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
He's gonna have to do it.
I'm just checking.
It doesn't matter.
Before we send it, it's like, that's all I always ask that question.
Oh, yeah. Can we get Miss Harris, Miss Horn back in here, please? You said April the 6th, at what time?
It's gonna be at 8:30 with Judge Hanson. And moving the pre-hearing date for April 2nd.
What is the Zoom ID?
335. 360.
Or we're just waiting on an attorney. We were moving good. That kid that they say set that bomb out in front of those offices, then they just caught up with them. He's saying that the Trump pardon protects him. Wow. Well, they pardoned everybody else for those issues. Wow. Those kind of issues.
So he said bond.
He said it, but I don't think it exploded though.
He said Trump.
Trump pardon protects him. When they had the riot at the Capitol, those were all basically protesting and things like that.
So he planted a bomb.
Two of them, and they just caught up with him. You didn't remember that? They just caught up with him like last year, later last year.
How many years did they give him for that?
He didn't get anything. He's going through the court cases now.
He said that Trump, he pardoned Trump.
No, he says the Trump pardons, when he pardoned those January 6 rioters, should protect him too. He should get a pardon too. I mean, good luck with that. But
Yeah, that's a fight. He can keep it going. At some point, they might.
Well, it's not going to be an appeal because the pardon, you know,
They didn't even charge.
They hadn't even found him yet, but he did it at that time though. It's been years that they took to catch up with him.
I gotta look into that. I didn't
look at it.
I didn't, you know. I guess I was want them to agree that they over there, you know.
That's understandable, Jay.
Paying attention to stuff like that.
Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong.
Oh, no, I don't think so. I can try to be abreast.
That's the your cousin. She told me, she's like, oh, right when I call a different name, yeah, I'm in the grocery store. I'm talking to you. You just have to keep it moving. Did you text Miss Horn?
No.
Oh, you didn't? I thought you did already. Okay. You texted her originally the first time, though? You in the grocery store too?
No, I didn't even hear it.
Not a bad day. This is just in common control for one of the common. Well, I think that money is sitting in my bank account. I don't know what they didn't take it out. I'm calling. Excuse me, I'm gonna step back here, Judge.
We gotta pick it up, dude.
What?
This is about 5 out of 7.
Yeah.
This is the most important time after the All-Star break.
Well, really the most important time. You said gonna get in the playoffs.
Right, playoffs, right.
Really the most.
That's really the most. I wonder if it's something behind the scenes, like in the locker room happening. They are in new spot for them. Yeah, I used to be in.
All right, Corporal Hayward and Lieutenant Robner, that Golson did not appear, and Gunn did not appear. So you guys are free to leave.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
They're
All right,
both.
thank you, Your Honor. Have a good morning.
You as well.
Good morning, Judge. Could I ask you a question?
You may. Well, you were just waiting on your name to be called, really.
Oh, okay.
What is your question? Good
I
morning to
was just
you.
making sure that I was in the correct courtroom and everything.
You know you're in the correct courtroom, Mr. Gavin.
Yeah, I didn't know what to pause if I missed something or got to switch, but okay. Thanks for
All right.
easing my nerves.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So rapper Too Short became a father at 53. I didn't know he didn't have any kids.
Wow, I didn't either.
Also didn't know he was 53.
Yeah, he came out when he was.
He sure did, because I'll be 51 in October, so he's got about 2.5 years on me.
No, my phone.
Oh, oh.
None of my friends have things.
Oh, I thought you said a five. I thought you said.
No, I said my phone.
Oh,
No.
okay.
But it's been sitting here. One of them was wrong. They said it was reversed. I checked
They
my
reversed it?
account, if none of that's in there.
Right.
It was due on the 14th.
You better make sure that they backdate it so they don't kick you out, or you'll be in the pool again.
I got up until the 30th to make the payment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I was gonna, I gotta get my charge and call back in. I was gonna call them and ask them from early, looking at it this morning. I got, I mean, I got no offer right now. Cars, one free. AAA this one.
That's right. No, I need to do that. Should do that.
Okay. That's okay. You good? I'm in here now. I'm getting ready to come in. Okay.
Mr. Gavin said 39 for Martin Luther King. That's what I thought. It's young, man. Getting it, wasn't he?
I had started to, slow down, but I was still young, you know what I mean?
But I'll tell you what, though, I swear every time I hear that mountaintop speech, man, that does something. He said, I might not get there with you.
He was an excellent orator.
He was.
Not too many better.
He knew he was gonna die.
He knew he did. You can hear it. You can hear it.
The picture of me about 10 years ago, I'm like,
No, you're not, Ms.
Yes, I
Hunt. You look the same as I saw you 15 years ago.
Oh, that's good then. No, I don't, because I was like,
You look the same. Though.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good then. My mama left me some good genes.
She did.
She did? Okay, that's what I'm making of.
Excuse me?
Go back in the waiting room, Mr. Santana.
Okay.
Breakout room. Be patient.
Sorry, I was just making sure if I had to stay in there.
No, you're just not patient.
Most of them are.
No, man.
Yeah, or they feel like because it's virtual, it's not the same as being here, but it is the same.
It take longer.
No,
when
you're just
you
not
in.
patient. Just one.
It take longer when you in.
Because they don't be patient here either.
Because when you in here, you gotta wait for paperwork, you gotta go out in the hallway, you gotta wait for me to process it. And it's take longer when you.
We were on a roll
Huh?
until Miss Horn went to the other courtroom. We were on a roll.
I just think like, every courtroom had its own prosecutor, it would make a big difference too.
They're not gonna pay that.
Yeah, but
A lot more
anytime
money,
we
too.
need 2 attorneys to service the people, we got our own prosecutor.
He did.
They're not gonna do that,
It's a
huh?
lot of money. Because it's what, 5 traffic courtrooms?
They're not gonna do that.
Somewhere in there. It might not even be 5 though, is it? I don't think it's 5.
I don't know.
I don't think 5 judges have traffic. How many judges have traffic, Jay?
How many judges we traffic?
Yeah.
Let me check.
Either way it goes, they have to spend more money.
We got because some prosecutors hate pensions. They don't want to give out time. After 8 to 10 years, they like me.
I think the pensions are gonna have to come back.
They need to.
You know why? Because what we're dealing with now, we're gonna be in a crisis in the next 10, 15 years. Because
all those people that got older.
No, the 401ks that don't have pensions, everybody's taking out of their 401ks.
401k is a lot.
Yeah, and you,
That money look good.
so what's gonna happen to those people that don't have anything that took out their 401k or didn't save? Is the government's gonna have to bail up, the government's gonna have to step in and take care of them.
And we could have just told the companies to keep their pensions.
Right, right.
So
it's gonna go back.
The only reason they
and it's
want
all based on the economy and you can lose your money. Like at one time my 401k was that. The economy dropped, I lost half the 401k.
Ain't lying.
That's when I realized, oh, this is you can't rely on this. 1, 2.
My thing is, are the companies eliminating the pensions because it's a business choice or just greed?
Well, both.
It's both?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8.
It's capitalism. You want to
It's
make as much
11.
money as you can. If I don't have to put in this pension, then I'm gone.
Yeah, like if you got a
Forget the people.
If you got a pension, you good.
The people. People, are you kidding me? That's what the government was supposed to be for, but they're letting the companies do everything they want, anything they want.
And that's probably what they said. The company's like, well, you look out for the people.
Oh, they got it.
We here to make money.
That's the reason why I think I took money out of my pension about house because I was like, I'm struggling. The house, I gotta be taking myself now because I could die and never even get the 401k. At least I can.
Or your pension. Or the pension.
Yeah.
Well, at least your 401k will go to somebody.
Yeah. At least
Your
I can
pension,
really-
you'll just lose it, but you could designate your pension to somebody else, though, wouldn't you?
Like
Yeah.
your wife or something. I mean, your
Well,
spouse.
No, I think you can dedicate it to anybody that you want
Yeah,
to,
my mother did.
but.
Is that the
you-
beneficiary?
Yeah, but it would take a bigger hit if you're gonna designate it to somebody
can.
else out of it.
Yeah, my mother designated it to my little, hers to my little sister.
Cause she knew she probably wasn't going.
Huh?
She knew your little sister probably wasn't as obvious.
Well, sure, my little sister came out of winter because see now she worked at Ford. She got a good job. Yeah, but I think prior to that,
She's worried about it.
she was worried about it. Yeah, but she doing good now. Yeah, she doing good. So yeah, she was worried. Like she left my brother in her house. Well, we suggested that she leave the house in, but we just made sure that he got the same tax bracket, which is good because that's only $1,200 a year. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause he ain't coming up mine.
$1,200 a year? You said $1,200 a year?
Well, he's 61 though. He not coming up in there bossing me. Cause he think I'm his little sister.
You are his little sister.
I am, but like according to all my other sisters, he always treat me like, you know, and I be like, bro, I'm grown.
I'm paying my bills on.
Yeah, like I'm grown. He won't even let me talk.
61.
I don't care. I say something. Here you go again. I have to shut up. Like, okay, bro. What you want?
Can't say nothing. Maybe he do need to move in.
I'm gonna move out. Hurry up and find me somebody. Somebody else.
Oh man.
No, I'm just if he got sick, I'll take it. That's the only condition. I'll take it.
You say, what's your hours?
Huh?
So you ask, what's your hours?
No, that's a good option for that $1,200 a year.
Woo. $100 a month.
You gonna mess them taxes up. Okay, thank you.
Maybe that should be episode coming up.
What, 401k?
Economy.
One time my first day here, one of the ladies, she was like, I don't even know why you come here. I was like, what you mean? You ain't got no pension. Said, what?
Who says that?
This lady. So what happened to me? That was the time clock. I was like, I still gotta pay my bills. She was like, I don't even know why you come here. You ain't got no pension. I don't even know why you punching in. I'm like, excuse me. Fast forward about 10, 15 years later, she passed away. Right after she retired.
So that.
Wow. I was like, cause I was younger. I was like, why would you say that to somebody? So that she makes all the noise.
I bet she remembers saying that.
She probably did. I remember.
That's why my status just said self-control matters.
You say that too.
Define self-control.
I used to work for an accountant before I came. She had her own little accounting firm. And pension, when we used to do the taxes and stuff, pension used to be nice. That, you know, they used to get in like some people on the low end, most people was getting like maybe about $3,000, $3,500 a month.
That's a lot to do nothing. But I mean,
you say
earned it though.
Yeah, you already paid and
you earned it.
And then most of the baby boomers got it good because they got their pensions, they got their social securities, and if you pay for your property, you want a good tax break. So that means your taxes is only running, if on the high end, you bought your house late, you might be paying $20,000 a year. Most areas, like 12, 8, like I was talking to one of my girlfriends, mother. In the neighborhood that I lived in, she said her taxes is like $800 a year.
800?
Yes.
That's nothing.
Yeah.
Under $100. Can't beat that.
Yeah, she has a smaller house though, like it's probably about 900 square feet though. Yeah, so she probably paid just like a 2 bedroom. Yeah,
That's how we used to feel in that house in Taylor. Is a 3-bedroom ranch. It just felt so small.
It was not that bad.
And it didn't have no basement either.
Oh, okay. Our house, we got a basement.
So we got a living room, kitchen, like a little kind of a kitchen nook in the bathroom. Oh yeah, and garage. I'm sorry, out there.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Larkin. Ms. Larkin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the city attorney, I thought she was coming out, wanted to confirm that there was a balance due on the U ticket.
Oh, it is. There's a lot of balance due. She owes $1,610.
And Your Honor, she is going to attempt to find the receipts for the things that she did believe that she paid, but in the meantime, the city is recommending a dismissal on the remaining matter.
When are you gonna pay the U ticket, ma'am? $240.
Can you give me some time? It ain't gonna be long, but yeah, I'm prepared though.
How long? Put a date on it.
Hmm. 1 second. Can you give me like 4 weeks?
I'll give you
Like
until
April?
April 17th, 2026 at
Okay.
8:30. At any that kiosk in the city of Detroit. That's your next court date at 8:25. Other matters dismissed. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, thanks.
All right, well, City of Detroit versus Nigel Stephen Devontae Gilbert, case number SP 137-79691, SP 150-84321, SP 153-0110, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gilbert, please state your name for the record.
Nigel Gilbert.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Gilbert. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. There's another. I'm gonna print this out. I don't know if this is the same individual, but it's on the docket. And we'll find out the correct spelling of his name and everything. Pass the matter. I have the file, yeah, but he has another ticket on there that just seems like it's in a different name.
Different name. Okay, let me take a look.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Nunez. Mr. Nunez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to open alcohol in a vehicle as a passenger, as well as a plea of failure to display for the driving while license suspended. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by take,
Sorry?
you're gonna get rights up? Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 4th, 2025, around 10:52 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Otis. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle? Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And were you operating that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Correct.
Why is that?
Didn't have it on me.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
It was a canned smash drink.
And it's alcoholic beverage?
Yes.
And it had some in the container?
Yes.
And was it open?
It was open.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to open alcohol on motor vehicle passenger, which stipulates the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll waive the warrant fee. And because you owe an improper passing ticket 135 and a disregarding a red signal ticket of 130, I'm only going to fine you for one of these misdemeanors $240. When can you pay?
I could go pay. I could have this paid within. I'll go today. I have time today.
All right, make sure it's paid by tomorrow. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Nunez, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much, sir. And one quick question before I leave. I want to know when would be eligible to get my reinstatement fee for the license. Once this would be paid off, I would pay it today.
I don't see anything that's affecting your license. You're gonna have to take that up with the Secretary of State.
Okay. Alrighty. So the only thing that's affecting me is currently this.
The payments, yeah, you should be
Okay.
able to go to the Secretary of State today and see if they'll give you a license.
After I pay.
If they don't give you a license, then you can ask them for a printout that can tell you everything that's affecting your license.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. If it's
Thank you.
nothing
Have a
further,
great day. Bye-bye.
all right. This is the city of Detroit versus LaShonda Nicole Gamble. Case number SP 1559219, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1624391. SP 1741868. SP 180033942, SP 180033946, SP 1800467, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gamble.
Nicole Gamble.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Ms. Campbell. She has two civil infractions that are in default. We won't deal with, but she has another 4 civil infractions that I'll allow her to be heard on if the city doesn't have any objection. That would be a no insurance proof, improper display of plate, expired plate, and a no valid registration. If the plate is expired, then it would be no valid registration automatically. So I think that's kind of cumulative anyway. But nevertheless, Ms. Gamble, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, and I'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to it. In the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
What's the matter? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
No, we're respectfully requesting the appointment. Respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel, and we're also asking for permission to pay reinstatement fees up front.
I don't see any reinstatement fees. Oh, for the reckless driving, probably. That probably will affect them. I'm not going to file pay refee up front. I'm going to set a pretrial date for you, Mr. Gilbert, for April the 6th, 26th at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I asked you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointment. One of those calls. Who is that talking? And with that foul language? I asked you to answer the calls. One of those calls. I asked you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Okay.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. Okay.
You too. Thank you.
Let's call City of Detroit versus Ladarian DeCon Gilmer, case number SP 1523359, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1560540, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1482041, appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Press star 6 to unmute yourself. Ladarian Gilmer, please. Is that two different people you think?
Darian Gilmer.
Their names are similar. The driver's license number is off by one number.
Mr. Gilmer, state your name. Good morning to you. For purposes of arraignment.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Is there a Ladanian Gilbert as well? Gilmer?
Yeah, that's my twin brother.
All right, where is he?
He at work.
I need to see him as well. All right, so go ahead and get Mr. Gilmer an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gilmer, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. Is this the best number to reach you, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. And enter not guilty plea, $0 bond. All right, he's gonna be in the room. Let's pass the matter. He's in the room. Byron Garcia.
I'm here if needed. I was scheduling.
Brian Garcia.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good morning to you. Why are you so late?
Oh, I didn't know I had a court today. Yeah, I didn't know today was the court. That's why.
All right, give me a minute, please.
Yeah, thank you.
That tornado, not that tornado, yes, tornado.
You prefer cleaning your shit?
I did, I'm just, they coming out Wednesday, I gotta get out of here Wednesday, 'cause they're coming over.
Tomorrow?
Yes, it's gonna be there between one.
That's messed up. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gamble. Ms. Gamble, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Gamble?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to set a pretrial date, Ms. Gamble, for April the 6th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that appointed attorney gets in contact with you. I just need you to answer the call you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's brown too.
I was your mine.
I don't think bones like that. I don't think.
You what?
Yeah, the last time they didn't even do it, because we had some stuff, so they told me to patch it up. Fix it like I said the last time, you wouldn't be.
All right, is that 248 number, last four 9442, the best number to reach you?
Yes, sir.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. April the 6th, ma'am. Best of luck to you at 8:30. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Anthony Courtney Gavin Jr., case number SP 1793770, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 184-11711. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gavin.
Anthony Courtney Gavin Jr.
Good morning to you, sir.
For purposes of
Webb. Okay, it's trial date. Officer Webb, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Webb, badge number 685, 3rd Precinct, Detroit.
All right, good morning to you. Day is set for a trial. There's Officer Al Zakaria appeared as well. He's not here now, but give Mr. Gavin an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. All right. Did we lose the other individual? Let's call the City of Detroit versus Jeffrey Laron Lowe, case number SP 14157552, SP 185-80552. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lowe, please state your name for the record.
Jeffrey Lowe, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Jeffrey Lowe. Jeffrey Lowe? All right, he must have fell asleep. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Ted Gloucester, case numbers SP 181-91211, SP 183-69921, SP 183-69931. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Ted Gloucester.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
I enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gloucester was supposed to pay $240. That's matters in review. He hasn't paid that as of yet, or at least as of this morning when I printed it up. And then he has a disregarding the red signal. I wouldn't have any issue allowing him to be heard on that if the city has no objection. Mr. Gloucester, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, sir.
So the unregistered and the disregarding
Red signal.
red signal. It's on the docket. I see it. Okay, thank you.
Proper plate. That's the matter. Jeffrey Lowe.
You deserve it. We all deserve it. I was actually calling you. Overstreet. Yeah, I sent it back on but I just resent it.
Ready on anyone?
I lost my client.
Who's your client?
I had Mr. Gloucester.
All right, we lost Low. You keep on dropping them off, don't you? That's it. Who's got Low?
There's a recommendation to dismiss on Mr. Gloucester, though.
What about Lowe? Did anybody talk to Jeffrey Lowe?
He didn't respond when you called his case.
Yeah, he's asleep. All right, Gloucester. There was a recommendation to dismiss on Gloucester.
Yes, Your Honor.
But that he needs to pay the other one, so.
Right.
On both of the, let's go back on the record with Ted Gloucester on both the civil infraction and the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. There's a recommendation to dismiss.
Are we back on here?
Yeah, we're back on record for Ted Gloucester. We'll dismiss the SP 183-69921 and SP 183-69931 per city attorney. 3/17/26. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Brian Andy Garcia, case number SP 186-45191. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Garcia. Please state your name for the record.
Yeah, Brian Andy Garcia.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Garcia, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Turn your camera on, please.
There you go.
All right, you still owe 100 and some odd dollars for that limited access, $150.
Yeah,
All right,
I
I'll go on the breakout room and speak to Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Good morning.
Thank you.
How can we help you?
I want to thank you for my client.
Who's that?
Steve.
Which Lee?
Lillian Lee.
Lillian Lee?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What does she have?
Her payment is $1,400.
Great.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Take it easy now.
Thank you, ma'am.
We'll see you next time.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, officer.
Well, I'm locking back.
Very well. He and his brother, this is his brother's. Just reset him for another day. Because he fell off and then, let's go back on the record where Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
And we're respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, trial date is April the 9th. Mr. Garcia at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You do.
You're welcome. Jeffrey Lowe. Jeffrey Lowe. Jeffrey Lowe. Jeffrey Lowe. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gavin Mr. Gavin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the no insurance matter ending in 1711. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Blocking traffic for the no insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
With that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175. I'll waive the warrant fee. And you owe another $130 on an old disregarding a red signal ticket, sir. So when can you pay? $175.
What's today's date? Could I get like maybe 3 weeks?
75 and 130. All right, pay them by April the 17th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Wait a minute. I have that wrong. I do have that wrong. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir. And that was 175?
175.
All right, thank you.
He does not owe. He owes 195 on an old no insurance proof. It's just Mr. Lowe, he's asleep. All right, I'm on Mr. Lowe is not going to be heard today. Mr. Ochoa never showed up. That was Mr. Broffman's client. I don't know, LeBay, I don't know what happened to them. They must have never showed.
These people never showed.
Yeah, and then Ladarian, he fell off. And then his brother, Ladarian, you can Ladanian, you can give him another court date too.
Well,
both on the same day.
Okay, well, the other brother, okay, I was putting him on the 31st. One of them gotta do, okay. I gotta look at his file too.
They both didn't. One of them showed, the other one, I told him about his
One of
brother.
them got a date in September. He got a delayed sentence.
Oh, all right.